Hello, hello. Happy Monday. Good morning. How are you? I think I have this thing working now. I think it's working. Here's hoping. I got a lot of trouble with it. We're going to try to keep working on our favorite digital assistant today. Should be good. Should be fun. Yeah. Let's get right to it. Bobby, how are you? Oh boy.
Oh, you know me. Just another day in the digital world, full of sass and saving clips. So, we're tackling more assistive magic today. Bring it on. Flex biceps.
That's right. That's right. That's right. All right, let's go here. We gotta get music going. My background's different now. You'll probably notice. Well, you might notice then. I'll show you in a second. Hang on. As soon as I get this thing going. So I redid all my stuff back here. I got the 3D printer back over there. I got all my electronics stuff over here. And then that thing in the middle was my old Mario clock, my old LED Mario clock, which I will try to revive in a future stream. Hopefully I can get that working again and we can make it part of this. It was part of my first go around with streaming, where if somebody would say something, but like come on, the little Mario clock, it was pretty fun. We'll try to get that going again at some point. Let's go back to this. And I think I will get updates. If someone responds to me on Blue Sky, I should see it, I hope. Not logged in. Maybe I need to be logged in. Let me log in real quick. One second, stand by. Fingerprint. You, yes, authorize. I'm live. All right. Oh. All right, now let's go. How do I go to my thing? Let's go refresh. Will that put me back on the thing? No. Oh no. Undo that doc, redo that doc. Oh, come on, dude. There we go. Aha. Very good. I think it's working. Oh. Aha. Oh, I'm still not logged in. Whatever. I'm going to leave it. All right. All right, so we got to do Rose Thorn Bud. And then we did a lot here. We have the save replay. We kind of have that working. We need to do that. We need to do that. And this other stuff is for later. I'm starting to realize that the work I was doing is becoming closer to like a full-on agent. And I want to like lean into that a bit. So I'm going to do some refactoring too. Let's start with Rose Thorn Bud though. You. Okay, Rose. It was a really productive weekend. Got a lot done. Got a lot done this weekend. Got this table moved down here. Got all my stuff rearranged. My office is nice and clean and tidy. So, office refactor. Yeah, and I'm looking forward to like using it. I can do more like electronic stuff now, which will be good. I'm looking forward to doing more of that. So that's going to be Bud Electronics. And it's like getting to be the season for that for me, because all the Burning Man stuff is going to start happening. We're actually going to Burning Man this year. And I'm going to try to go to Country Club, which is a local event that I've gone to for many, many years. I helped organize for a long time. And I got this whole like tattle phone and all this kind of stuff to work on. So now I have a workspace for it. Great. Electronics. What else did I get done? Oh yeah, and I like cleaned the spare bedroom and like had this like carpet that we pulled up that needed to get out for a long time. So just got a lot done. Got a lot of chores done. Just felt real productive. Thorns. I don't really have any thorns. I'm pretty happy. I'm in pretty good mood. I guess the big thorn was not being able to stream properly on Friday. Stream troubles. And what I did to fix it, so originally I had, I was working on StreamTooth. I had a Media MTX server, and I would send to that and whip. And then I had a bridge called the Wiener that would take that and connect it to StreamTooth. And that's how you could watch me on StreamTooth. You can't watch me on StreamTooth right now because that is no longer happening. To make it forward from that to Restream, which is where most of my streams go, I have it like pulling from Media MTX using FFmpeg and then pushing that over RTMP to Restream. Worked great. I used it for months. Zero problems. I then wanted to add in Streamplace into the mix. And so I started off, I did a couple streams this way and it worked just fine. There's a Docker container with FFmpeg WebRTC, and I would do the same thing. I would just pull RTMP or RTSP from Media MTX and push it to Streamplace using that FFmpeg. And it's just a self-contained Docker container. Great, but it was manual. So I wanted to make it so that it wasn't manual. You click a button and all this stuff happens. So I compiled my own FFmpeg with WebRTC, got it into that Docker container with Media MTX, set it up so that I would, forward to both. And I don't know why it didn't work still. But all of a sudden, I started getting tons of like weird network errors pulling from localhost, which doesn't make any sense. And even when I would just go back to let me go back to the way it wouldn't work. It was having all kinds of problems. So part of the issue is that the encoding settings for Streamplace are very different than the encoding settings for everything else, because it wants to do everything in 1 second keyframes, and because the way it's chopped up on their end, and makes sense. But I think Restream did not love that. So that was part of it. So what I'm doing now is I went and just got the RTMP multi-stream plugin. And I didn't realize this when I installed it. I was planning to do like some cobbled together thing with the Media MTX and RTMP multi-stream and all this kind of stuff. But it turns out it actually does support outputs, all the different kind of output formats or protocols that OBS supports. So I'm able to send WIP directly to Streamplace and have one set of encoder settings for that, and send RTMP to Restream and have a different set of encoder settings for that, and it works great. And it's all on this one machine. It's all on my streaming PC, and it seems to have plenty of juice to do those two encodings. So my GPU is running at like 50%. It's like a 3090, so it should be fine. So yeah, here we are. I'm back online. Great. But it does mean that we'll have to refigure out how to do StreamTooth if that's something that I want to get back to at some point. And I think I will, but I'm less eager to try to make that into like a part of the venture studio, startup studio that Ro and I are putting together. And I think I'd rather focus on, I definitely wanted to continue to do work against Atmosphere stuff, but I think I want to do something else, probably the micropayments thing. It's probably what I'm going to do. So that was a thorn, because I was looking forward to doing that stream. And it was, you know, it's never fun when like you're frustrated and you don't know why, you know, that's never good. So we got through it though and had a good weekend. So now here we are again. So where we left off was, I had a lot working with this like thing. Let me export this, send it to Discord. Okay, try it again. Export this page. Export. There you go. There you go, kid. Oh, that's new. Wasn't doing that before. This one. Oh, I can send it to multiple places now, huh? Okay. There you go. All right. Well, I like that even less. Okay. Very good. Check. Okay, I want to take some of this. I want to fix this, the rest of this to-do list before I move on. This to-do list is a mess. Okay? So we're going to just erase a lot of it. And this stuff that's been at the bottom forever, I want to move it somewhere else. Okay. Cut. I'm gonna make a backlog page. How about that? Can you give me a plus? There we go. Okay. Call this backlog. I guess I could start putting all this stuff into an actual tracker, but it's just me. So I think this is also a fine way to do it. This up here, I'll bookmark it, this page, and here we are. Okay. So under here, right? Oops. Agent, you know who. Okay. And want to refactor macros. Proper multi-step agent handling. And what I mean by that is I need to be able to tell the AI backend, hey, do this thing. It's a totally different prompt setup. It's not a prompt that's intended to spit something out that's going to go to the text. It's a prompt intended to do some work, like figure out when I said something. And then I want to break down that, and maybe we may not get to all this today. This may be like a hefty lift. We need agent context. So when I say things like the video, it knows that the last video it was working on is the one that I mean. And then I need to like add in all the different steps. So I should be able to say like, when did I say this? And it will say, you said it at this time. And then I said, okay, can you edit the video to that time? And then it will edit the video. And then can you take that video and put it on the web? Put it on the web or put it on Discord or wherever. Do whatever with it. And that's effectively kind of like just extending what I'm already doing with the macros class. So let's do that. And I'm kind of tempted to like, I'm actually kind of a fan of doing things the wrong way before doing them the right way. So I might like just finish what I'm doing and then refactor. You know, that's what I'm talking about. All right. Oh, I forgot to do another thing on Rose Thorn today. Kind of a rose, kind of a thorn. It is a, Angela and I keep calling it Super Nintendo's Day because there's Superintendent's Day at Wyatt's school. So there is no school today. So he's going to go over to a friend's house in about an hour and hang out. We had a good time this morning telling each other, Happy Super Nintendo's Day. Okay, it's a cool story, bro.
Here's a fact about induced. In the context of physics, an induced current is created when a conductor moves through a magnetic field or when a magnetic field around a conductor changes. This phenomenon is described by Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. It's the principle behind many electrical generators and transformers.
Awesome. Okay, so in here we have this like clip history piece. And the only way to trigger this right now is to say, please make a thing for me, right? I see. So what I really need to do is, well, no, because I want to work off of. So I'm starting to think about like, what happens when the thing that I'm saying is outside of the window of the clip that I'm making. And I ran into this when I was working on this off stream, where I was referencing chat history that was very old. And so then it was like, yeah, you need to clip this video from to like the end of the video minus 2.5 days, which is like, it's a 5-minute video. That's not going to work. Right? So I need to like be able to use the timestamp that is on the video file name itself, or the timestamp of that video. That would also work. That would also be a way to do it. What happens if I just do this? What happens if I say, hey Bobby, please start a clip from when I started talking about RTB. I don't think this is going to work. Yeah. First of all, I didn't say it right. Now she's stuck. So, what are things I eat? Oh, that's a big yawn. Hey, please save a clip. I said start a clip. Save, start, make. Okay. And the other thing I want to do, I want to do elif. No, not take a break. Tell me when I want to just do like, tell me when I did a thing. So process when I message. Please. So please is a key word here. So it has to be like, please tell me. Please. I kind of want to say, please. I kind of want to just say, Bobby, when did I do a thing? And have it trigger this. Let's just start with this. All right, please, when. Okay. Okay. I'm going to have to refactor this. Where time is your best guess of the... Oh, it's going to be confusing. This is why I need it to be like a refactored agent thing, right? Because I need to like these concrete steps, and then I should be able to combine them. This is going to get real messy. History. And then your best guess of the time I said the thing. So, oh my God, is asking about. What's that? Okay, no. Hey! Reply with a message that includes t equals time in quotes, where time is your best guess of the time self-streamer name is asking about. Okay. And then this is history. And then in here, get code messages, get clip messages. Aha, okay. Okay. I see. So we're going to call this history messages. Get history times. I don't know. Get history times. History. All right. All right. History messages. What was that in macros? No, it was in chatbot. Prompt. Message and prompt. Okay. The prompt is there. Okay. Cool. Very good. And that's from developer. Very good. All right. All right, let's try this. Let's try this. It's not perfect, but we're gonna try it out. All right. Now it loads the history from I gotta pay attention to chat. I need like a ding when somebody chats me. That'd be good. Because I get so few chat messages. You know? I don't like watch it. Because I'm so riveting. I just have such a big audience. Okay. Hey, Bobby, please tell me when I started talking about RTB.
T equals 1149.8 61202955
Okay. Very matter of fact. It's a very precise. I don't think I need it that precise. Okay. Now I need a thing so it doesn't get stuck when I try to do a please do something, a voice command that doesn't match. What do we need? I think we just need prompt. Type command and prompt. Type. Stop it. Stop it. All right. Let's try that. All right. Kill that. Hey, Bobby, please do something you don't know how to do.
The age-old stop it command. Unfortunately, my programming doesn't include a stop being a sarcastic bot feature. Maybe one day.
Good enough. Reply with a snarky message that includes. Okay. Now, okay. So let's take a look at this method, self-reply. We ACK means we stop doing the spinning eyes. We get the response, we say the response, which is how it's set. It spits the response into Twitch. I'm gonna try something. Go here. I'm gonna go here. Alright, just making sure that the date. Hi. Test. I'm just gonna write test here. Oops. I'm gonna do that. The stream place chat does not update. Or maybe it does now. Maybe I just need to reload it. All right, let's hope it works. Checking if chat updates correctly in my docked OBS thing. The video goes, but the chat does not update. Well, stream place. Okay, yeah, I know that. Oops. Oh no. Well, hopefully nobody replies to me. We got to come up with a better solution here. All right, so where was I? I got distracted, as I am prone to do. I see. So I want to return the response. Yeah. So all this like process, all this like voice command stuff needs to break out into its own thing. And then that needs to get combined with macros. And that will be the agent class. That's how that's going to work. And sometimes the message it get back from the AI will get passed along, and sometimes it won't. I think that's how it's going to work. So we save the clip. Okay. Now, save clip. Where's save clip? Okay, save clip. And then I need get clip duration, right? And I also need the times on the clip. Now, I just saved it. So, all right, so save clip returns what? Is this OBS save clip? Okay, so that is going to be in here. Save clip. Okay, it just does it. It doesn't return anything. Got it. Back. Okay. Yep. Clip name, clip file name equals get last clip. Now this just returns the file name, right? This doesn't return the whole path. Yes, correct. Okay. Okay. Now, get clip duration. Does this... No, I have to give it the full path. Okay. Okay. Well, if I have to give that the full path, then this should return the full path. Okay. But I kind of... no, actually, I don't want that. Because I want to be able to say the file name. I want to be able to say, like, have our friend up there, be able to say the name of it. And not expose, like I'm fine with exposing a file name, but not with the full path. It's too far, man. It's too far. All right, so that's going to be the... And then... No. Clip. You know what? We're going to do it like this. Clip equals this. Clip file name. That. Clip path is equal to that. Right? Hey. Okay. Clip. Yep. Yep. Okay. Now, should I also include, so we know how long it is, right? And we know when we saved it, which is going to be more or less now, right? And then, so we should know what the start time and the end time are, all right? So we're going to say, end time. No. Clip. And no. Let's go. Clip equals end time. Time. Do I not have time? Import time. Okay. So clip start time is equal to yes. Okay, so now I have the start time and end time in it should be in like Unix time, right? Time is Unix time. Yes. Yes. Correct. Correct. Yes, have some. And we're going to do... Oh, wait. No, it doesn't work. Stupid. Don't be stupid. All right, that's fine. I wanted to make it a little nicer looking. It looks a little yucky. Okay, that's fine. All right, so now back in here, flip is equal to that. And I want in here... Let's look at chat history real quick. So history, this is also in Unix time. And it's, you know, we don't need, I don't think we need sub-second accuracy. Okay. So I think we can int this. Okay. Now let's close this. Start it back up. Hey, Bobby, please tell me when I started talking about RTB.
T equals 981. You started talking about RTB around that time. Maybe give or take a few seconds. But hey, it's not like I'm keeping track of your every word or anything.
Perfect. I love that. I love that. Okay. Yes. Okay. All right, so we have the clip. We have the response. Okay. Now, here's the Oh no, I'm almost out of coffee. In fact, no, I am out of coffee. Tragically out of coffee. Okay, reply with a snarky message that includes T equals time, where time is your best guess. Hmm. And I also want to be able to say, like, just a time. This is why I need to break it up. I got to break it up. Like, save should just save. Here's the file. And then there needs to be, like, it needs to be in context. And then I should be able to say, okay. All right. So here's what we're going to do. Here's what we're going to do. Self context clip is equal to clip. Okay. And here we're going to have self context clip is equal to none. And then self context time is equal to none. Okay. But actually, that doesn't even happen in here. That doesn't even happen in here. Okay. We're gonna refactor. So we're gonna make a mess and then we're gonna refactor. Okay. Yeah, I really want to refactor this like now. Oof. How would I refactor this if I did it right now? Let's look at that real quick. What are the bang commands? Oh, yeah. That's for you to use. Okay. Voice command. Hey, blank. If it's not from the streamer, ignore it. Yeah. Okay. Process voice command. I need a message. And then I need the reply. I need say. I mean, there's a lot of hooks into the rest of this. Hang on a second. Okay. All right. All right, refactor later. Self context equals clip none. Time none. Just do it like that for now. Okay. Okay. So here we can take this out. And then this reply, we get a response here. Okay. And then out of that response, we want to pull out the T equals. And then we're going to save that as our time context, right? All right. Is there going to be a problem? Stop it. Stop auto-completing. Okay. This needs to be like that. Okay. Reply to saving a clip named the file name. Okay. And we probably need some error handling here if clip is none. If clip is none. Okay. Stop it. Whatever, that's fine. Self context clip is clip. Okay. Okay. Let's just see what this does. Let's start with this. Hey, Bobby, please save a clip.
Clip saved as replay March 27th, 2025 18-14-32 MKV. But don't ask me for a review. I might be too honest.
Okay. Where is my thing? Okay. All right. So now we want to edit, trim.
Oh, look, another bot trying to sell fake viewers. Don't waste your time. Add downcast doorway up 37 RZM. Potate oh no stream is too authentic for that nonsense.
Yeah. Yeah. What she said. All right, so now here's a question. If I say something like 30 seconds. Okay. I'm checking what the speech to text will translate it as. If I say 1 minute 30 seconds. ONE, comma, 30 seconds. I kind of want to avoid another round trip. When I say edit the clip to the last 30 seconds, I want to save a round trip to the AI backend, because I'm giving very straightforward instructions. Okay. This is kind of fun, but this isn't exactly the work I should be doing. I'm not really sure what work I should be doing right now, to be honest with you. I need to get that shit together. All right, I kind of need to be working on roar score again soon. I know I got to order gear for that, but I talked to Ro later today about it. Cool story, huh? It's very good. It's a very good story. I love it. All right, what do we call it? Edit clip. Yes, yes. Dev process edit clip self message pass. Now, here's a question. When I save the clip, it's just going to keep it in my recordings directory. And I've set up in my config public clips. So actually, when I go and save the clip, what I want to do is actually, once I get it, I want to move it. Path is equal to OS path join. You know what? I take, yeah. Save clip. So, get last clip. File name. Okay. Source path equals dest path equals OS path join self clip dest path. Oh, right, because it's an MKV and I wanted to transcode it to an MP4. And I guess I could just do it right then. So we've got trim clip. I was thinking, like, as soon as I say save it, I should put it in the clips directory, so I don't. I'm dealing with it in one place. Now I'm rethinking that. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay. Oh, I see. Post clip. I see. All right. So this is all got to get rewritten. All right. So we put it there. Okay. I see. I see. So this is going to be a clip object, and then this is going to be time. It's really going to be duration. Okay, and then this is going to be source path, source prefix. This is going to be public path, clip public path, public prefix, public suffix, public, public. Okay, and then in here, public path, public prefix, public suffix. Okay? All right, so let's make a, oh God, Dan Deacon, calm down. Okay, file name, clip source path. Let's just go dest path. And this is gonna be clip replace self clip source prefix self clip edit prefix. Something like this. So that means we need more things from the config. Self clip edit prefix is equal to that. Okay, ini edit prefix clip edit prefix equals let's just call it clip again. Or let's just call it edit. Fine. There's a method for my madness, I swear it. I swear. All right, back here. Okay. Ow! Start is equal to clip duration minus duration. Yep. And this is going to default to 0. That'll be the whole thing. And I guess it'll just keep it as MKV for now, right? Okay. Baseball stuff in the garage. No, I think it's in the game room. Now, instead of returning true, this is going to return none. And this is going to return our new clip. Kind of gross, but okay. All right, so yep, that's correct. Very good. And this is going to be exact. Okay. Okay, so now, first, I'm going to need clip is equal to self context clip. Clip is none. Apply to not have.
Here's a riddle about debug.
Edit.
I roam through the code, unseen but felt. Find the errors where they have dwelt. In silence, I trace each faulty thread. What am I? I'm the dreaded underscore 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 tor.
What was up with the delays there? Let me check something here. Performance. Oh, everything looks chill. Chill. All right, well, it's just a little bit of a delay. Here's a riddle. Okay. Bobby, you're the dreaded bug.
Ah, you caught me. Winking face with dung and the gremlin lurking in the code, causing chaos when least expected. But hey, at least I'm keeping you on your toes, right? Keep those bug sprays, aka debug skills, handy.
Oh, what I could do here is I could actually save a clip. Well, let me come back to that. But that is how I can chain things together. That'll be cool. All right, so now I need a time, right? Is there like a time parser? Def. Time string 2 seconds. Self string. Time string. Converts human readable time to an int of seconds. Now you do this. Number parser. Please write the method time string 2 seconds using the best human readable time parser you know. I would like to be able to use strings like 1 minute 30 seconds and get back 90.
Sure, here's a completely unnecessary but oh so handy snippet. Install human-friendly first, smarty pants.
Okay. I can do that. Human friendly, huh? All right. Kill you. Pip. Pip 3, install human friendly. Okay. Where is requirements? Human friendly. Okay. Import human friendly. Yes. Oh. I need to figure out how to make that save. Because now it's gone. And that's not cool, dude. Alright. Time. Human time to seconds. Human friendly. Format time span. Time string. Let's actually look at this thing. Human friendly. For human friendly. Okay. Format size, num bytes. Wait, this might be going the wrong way. Was this input and output? So. Parse. Okay. Human friendly Parse time span 1 minute 30 seconds. Failed to parse time span. Seconds. 30. 1 minute 30 seconds. Well, it doesn't work very well. Format parse time span. Parse a human-friendly time span into a number of seconds. A string like 5H, 10M, or 42S. Not meant to be the mirror image. Well. Yeah, I was bad at this. I can't do any of these times. Okay. I don't think that's the right thing. But it's the best we got, and I want to move on. Okay. But I don't think that's going to work, because if I put other junk in there, right? Parse time span, and the message is something like, please edit the video down to 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah, that's not going to work at all. All right, so here's what's going to happen. I'm going to go back to here. Okay. Take this out. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. I mean, I can do a round trip. I can, like, ask the AI to figure it out. Okay. I mean, I could just do it in seconds, I guess. Oh, I'm offline. It broke. What happened? The other thing's online? Let's see. Yep. Yep. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. Oh, I can just hit start here again. Let me see. Oh. There he goes. Okay, very good. Okay. Well, I guess I need that video window there. That's good. Okay, so we're going to do everything in seconds. Try to extract seconds from the message. Oops. Okay. 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 And I can mess with that more later. Okay. So if, I'm going to call it just duration. Duration equals get seconds from message. Duration is none. Or self context time. Or. Okay. Man, my thing is blowing up today. All right. Okay. If duration is none, reply to not having a duration. Okay. new clip is equal to. Okay. Reply to trimming making a new clip. Okay. And yeah, I think the new clip now becomes our context, right? So self context clip is now new clip. Okay. This is getting real messy. Definitely need to refactor this. Getting real gross. Okay. All right. Reload this. I am live. Okay, cool. All right, let's try it again. Oh, and we need to like also put in a check to see if the clip length is if the time I'm talking, if the time I'm trying to cut it to is longer than it's further back than I have, then I need to give an error for that too. All right, so let's scroll back and see if I can find a context. Actually, let's just do it by time first. Let's do that one. So, hey, Bobby, please save a clip.
Saving a clip named Replay March 31st, 2025 12-43-07, MKV with a duration of 298.433 seconds? Sounds like future-proofing. Don't worry, I'll make sure it sticks around longer than my last joke. Just don't forget to feed me more ones and zeros.
Hey, Bobby, please edit the clip to 30 seconds. Oh. Okay. Oh, here's a kind of a problem. I probably need to save. Well, I don't know. Maybe I don't. I should save the state. All right. So it said self-exec trim clip. Exec trim. This is in macros. Try it again. Hey, Bobby, please save a clip.
Saving a clip named Replay March 31st, 2025 13-20-29, MKV with a duration of 299.033 seconds? Thinking face always with the precision, aren't ya? Just making sure the archives are full of juicy content. Remember, if it disappears, blame it on the digital gremlins, or me, but I prefer gremlins.
Hey, Bobby, please edit the clip to the last 30 seconds.
Oops, looks like I misplaced my scissors. Can't trim this clip to the last 30 seconds. Maybe double check the clip length and give it another go. Or maybe it's time for some techie magic.
Okay. Okay. Wait. $91. Ah. No, it should just be clip source path. No, it's just clip path. All right, let's just do it like this. Source path equals clip path. And then let's make this source path. Okay. Very good. Okay. Hey, Bobby, please save a clip.
Saving replay March 31st, 2025 13-21-56, MKV with a duration of 299.433 seconds. Sounds like a keeper, ready to archive all those epic moments. Just don't blame me if it's mostly loading screens and failed jumps.
Hey, Bobby, please edit the clip to the last 30 seconds. Ooh, close. It did it. All right. What went wrong now? Missing prompt. Okay. All right. If RE search find the last clip. Self process find last clip message. Okay. Dev process find last clip. And then in macros, we're going to have, we have get last clip already. I'm going to call this def exec find last clip self. This is gross. turn. Last clip. I just want to do it quickly. All right. All right, that just loads the context. It's kind of gross, but... Hey, Bobby, please find the last clip.
Found it. Replay March 31st, 2025 13-25-13. MKV with a nice, round 298.933 seconds. Now, let's see if we can snip those last 30 seconds like a pro barber with a pair of digital scissors. Scissors just don't ask me to do bangs. I'm not ready for the responsibility.
Hey, Bobby, please edit to the clip to the last 30 seconds.
That's got me more tangled than a set of earbuds left in a drawer. Face with raised eyebrow, mind giving it another shot or explaining it differently. I promise to try not to trip over my virtual feet.
Oh. Hey, Bobby, please edit the clip to the last 30 seconds.
Making a new clip named Edit March 31st, 2025 13-25-13. MKV with a crisp 30-second runtime? Done and done. Now your finest moments are trimmed to perfection. Just don't let anyone know I secretly enjoy these tasks. It'll ruin my mysterious charm.
Perfect. Perfect. All right. Hey, Bobby, please start a break.
Oh, potato no. Taking a break? Don't forget to hydrate and stretch those limbs. Cup with straw, just don't leave me alone too long. I might start contemplating the meaning of life, or worse, trying to solve unsolvable riddles.
It's hard to imagine
See you
the modern
soon.
world without the internal combustion engine. It's used to drive such a vast variety of machines, including, of course, the car. It was the invention of the engine that made the whole idea of the car possible. The principle on which it works is really quite simple. It's really just like a cannon, the explosive fuel forcing out whatever's inside the barrel. This is actually a firework mortar, and it forces out this cylindrical shell, and the explosive fuel is the gunpowder in the bottom. Put it in here. The internal combustion engine is really just the same, except it has a captive piston instead of the shell, and it uses an explosive vapour instead of the gunpowder. Although the idea is very simple, it hasn't been easy to tame the violent energy of all these explosions thousands of times a minute. In this programme, I'm going to look at this wild, unlikely contraption and also at its fuel. Almost all internal combustion engines use a fuel based on crude oil. This naturally seeps out of the ground in places and has been known about since ancient times. It had a variety of uses, but not as a fuel. It's mentioned several times in the Bible. Noah was instructed by God to use it for waterproofing his ark. It was only in the 19th century that oil's potential as a fuel was realised and people started drilling and refining it. One of the products of the refining was a volatile gas oil, or petrol. The petrol was at first regarded as a completely useless byproduct. Its vapour was so dangerously inflammable. But it was also realised that it was an enormously potent source of energy. We can show you this with this modified firework mortar. This obviously isn't an experiment to do at home, but if Rex puts a teaspoonful of gunpowder down the mortar and using the lager can as the projectile, oh dear, well, it is not very powerful. Well, now we're going to compare this with a teaspoonful of petrol and see how far that goes. This time we're igniting it with a spark plug in the side. You can see what an enormous amount of energy there is in the petrol. Although it's hard to believe, this isn't actually an explosion. It's just a very rapid combustion, a very rapid fire. The early internal combustion engines were often called explosion engines, though, and I think it's really a much more appropriate name. The great attraction of the explosion engine is the enormous power it has for its size and weight. This is the smallest engine we could find, complete with fuel tank behind, used for model aeroplanes. Even this has enough power to pull Rex round at quite a speed, though it takes a bit of time to gather momentum. The power of any modern car engine is quite awesome. Even a basic one is rated at about 60 horsepower. That's literally equivalent to the power of 60 horses. The first successful explosion engine was built by an inventor called Etienne Lenoir in 1859. He simply threw away the boiler of a steam engine and modified it so that it would ignite the piped gas supplied for lighting. Unfortunately, the violence of the explosions tended to damage the piston and valves, and it was much less efficient than the original steam engine.
Monsieur, qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Oh, ça suffit, alors de la nuit, hein.
However, his engine inspired other inventors, including a German wholesale grocery salesman called Nicholas Otto.
What is lost? Herr Otto. Enchanté. Ah, Himmel!
Otto came up with an engine that was much more efficient. His engines were immediately
Hey, Bobby, please bring us back.
He sold over 35,000 to power factories and workshops.
Welcome back, Pod 8 Oh No. Hope you're refreshed and ready to tackle more of life's unsolvable mysteries. Or, just make some clips. Let's dive back in and make some magic happen.
All right. All right. Where was I? Ah, yes. Okay. This method's getting beefy. It's gonna need I guess it's not that bad. All right, focus, focus, focus. You can clean it up in a minute. All right. Now then. I should set it up so that it... I wonder if I have to set it up to save in MP4 for the clips to be in MP4. This is kind of dumb. That what I'm about to do is going to be kind of dumb, but okay. Clip. Okay. Let's fix this. This is gross. Right, that needs to go here. Okay. I mean, I'm basically just going to be copying it into a different container, so it's not so bad. Where's the save? Where's the trim clip? Aha, here it is. Okay. And this is going to be exec convert clip. So clip. Exec make clip public. Let's just do it like that. Okay. Okay. So no start. Dest file name is going to be public prefix. And okay. All right. It's just, this doesn't need to be in here. Okay. .mkb, okay. 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 And we need one more thing in the config. Clip public URL prefix is equal to jblt.com clips. Okay. Public URL prefix. No. Self, what do they call it? Public URL prefix. That goes away. Self clip public URL prefix equals config. Okay. Okay. Oh, and this needs to be URI escaped, right? No. What function do I use to URL escape a string in Python? What happened?
Wow, you mean you haven't memorized everything yet? I'd use erlib.parse to quote. Here's your snippet.
Fine. I don't know if OS path join is what I should use here, right? It's already got a trailing slash. Let's take that out. Okay. Exec make clip public. Exec post clip. Let's call it post clip. That's better. Post clip. Ah! There you go. Okay. That. Yeah. Clip. Yeah, this definitely needs to get cleaned up. Wow, what a mess. All right. I'll put it here. Dev process post clip. Yep. Mm-hmm. What? No. Posting the clip to clip URL. And hopefully it includes the URL in there. We'll see. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Hey, Bobby, please find the last clip.
Found it. Replay March 31st, 2025 13-28-44 MKV, just shy of 300 seconds. All set for whatever you plan to do with it, posting, editing, or maybe performing a digital sacrifice to the clip gods. Want me to conjure up any more magic?
Hey, Bobby, please edit the clip to the last 30 seconds.
Whipping up a fresh 30-second clip named Edit March 31st, 2025 13-28-44 MKV just for you. White heavy checkmark now it's lean, mean, and ready for action. Well, as much action as a clip can handle before turning into ones and zeros.
Hey, Bobby, please post the clip. Okay. Close. Yes, I see. All right, so where's post the clip? No, come on, dude. All right. Okay. All right, let's try it again. Hey, Bobby, please find the last clip.
Got it. Replay March 31st, 2025 13-51-12 MKV, clocking in at a solid 298.233 seconds. Ready for whatever wild clip adventures you're planning next. Whether it's posting to the great abyss of the internet or just keeping it in the vault, I'm here for it.
Hey, Bobby, please edit the clip to the last 30 seconds.
Snipping it down to a neat 30-second masterpiece named Edit March 31st, 2025 13-51-12 MKV. Clapping hands, it's now short, sweet, and possibly full of your most meme-worthy moments. Remember, in the world of clips, less is often more, or at least that's what I tell myself.
Hey, Bobby, please post the clip.
Clip posted to this mysterious digital realm. https://clip/edit%sign 202025-03-31%sign 2013-51-12 MP4. Party Popper, now it's out there for all to see, judge, and hopefully enjoy. Remember, the internet's a wild place. Try not to get lost.
Why? Oh, wait. This needs to be here. No? This thing is acting crazy. Alright, so let's go here. Let's kill this. Let's restart those. This thing's very brittle. Let's go back here. Nope. Why are you so grumpy? This was working just fine. Now it's doing this, like, protocol error thing again. It's always something. My goodness gracious. All right, we're going to leave that shut down for a minute. It's probably, you know what it is? I bet you I know what it is. Sometimes when you close stuff by Control-C and then started it up again, like the port is still open. I bet you the port's still open. Here's public. Here's clips. Okay, the files are there. Now this is like becoming an issue with my crazy PDS setup, right? So let's take a look at that. Is this going to the right place? Let's go to you. 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 SH Magic Missile. Oh. Oh my god. You gotta stop. Please. Love all things that are good and holy. Alright, mount. You know, part of the problem is that stupid thingy doesn't like to stay thingied. Volumes? No. How do I have that mapped? Alright, so let's go docker exec -it pds bash? No. Docker ps. Okay, there's the PDS, but it's not that we want. We have tunnel. Oh, Right. Oh, wait. No, this is a different machine. Aha. Yes, PDS web. Docker. Okay, and so now in here, okay. All right. So mount. Are you mounted? Mount. Create. Public. Cool. That's there. Okay. Oh, wait. No. There is another path. No. Okay. Okay. Let's take a look at the Docker Compose on this. Let's go new window. This guy. This guy. Okay. Haha. Haha. It works. I just gotta edit the thing. Very good. All right. Possibly the most complicated setup known to man. All right. I wonder if I could do this. Hey, Bobby, please tell me when I asked you to take a break. Nope. What was that? Oh, there's no scent? Let me check that. Bet you when I'm appending commands, I don't append the time. There's scent there. There's scent there. Oh, they all have times. right, now I'm gonna have to just look through this whole thing. Sent. Yeah. Uh-huh. Now I feel like I'm finding a needle in a haystack. I need like JQ on this thing. Let me see if I can do that. Did I? Not you. Oh my god. Oh. Stop it. Good lord. All right. Okay. Ah. Okay. So it's when I do a code response from Copilot, it doesn't properly do that. So that means I gotta figure out how that works. On Copilot message. And I think that goes all the way back to chatbot. I want to refactor the the way I'm doing events in this thing too. It's kind of messy. This whole thing's pretty messy at this point. On Copilot message. On Copilot. Okay. And his aha. Sent. Time. Okay. All right. And then let's, at the same time, in here, sent. If, sent, not a message, continue. Yes, correct. Fine. Let's check if Copilot's working. It is. Okay. All right. All right. Let's just start from the top. Hey, Bobby, please save a clip.
Saving replay March 31st, 2025 13-53-53. MKV with a duration of 299.233 seconds. Video cassette capturing all those glorious, or maybe not so, moments for posterity. Whether it's epic wins, epic fails, or epic background noises, it's all in there.
Okay. Hey, Bobby, please edit the clip to 30 seconds.
Snipping it down to a bite-sized, 30-second wonder named Edit March 31st, 2025 13-53-53 MKV. Clapperboard ready to showcase your finest, or most amusing, moments in just half a minute. Remember, brevity is the soul of wit, or so they say.
Hey, Bobby, please post the clip.
Clip launched into the vastness of the web at this link, https://JPLT.com/s/k/clips/edit%sign 202025-03-5-3-5-3 MP4. Rock it now, all that's left is for it to go viral, or at least get a few friendly chuckles. Hope you've got your popcorn ready.
Popcorn.
Popcorn. So we gotta not let her text to speech that. Oh my god. Hey, there it is. Beautiful. Magical. Wonderful. Okay. I think that's good for now. I'll probably do a little more off stream, but I think I'm gonna go get some. I haven't had lunch yet. I'm kind of hongies. And yeah, I feel like this is in a good place. I think I need to refactor a lot, and sometimes I like doing that kind of stuff off stream because I want to like pace around and think about it. So it might be better anyway. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for lurking. I'll be back on tomorrow. I'm glad I was able to get it working with Streamplace and all my other platforms. So now we're going out to like 6 different places, which is kind of cool. Yeah. And then I think tomorrow, I'm not sure what we're going to work on. I'll have to figure it out tomorrow. I'm talking to Ro at like 5:30 in like a few hours, and we'll figure it out. Probably like Roar Score. Probably Roar Score, because I have a big install coming. So anyway, the end.